Let's look at stocks discussed today on finance news channels. This is not a buy or sell recommendation. Bernstein has a target price of 1,250 rupees on Axis Bank, which means there could be about a 17% upside from the current level of around 1,170 rupees. Some concerns remain, such as deposit growth and the Citi acquisition, but overall it is still seen as a value buy. On the technical side, the stock is trading below its 200-day average, which shows weakness compared to HDFC Bank and ICICI Bank. So while it looks attractive fundamentally, caution is advised on the charts. JSW Steel looks strong, with a breakout after months of consolidation. The target is set at 1,130 rupees with a stop loss at 1,050 rupees. The stock has been holding firm during market dips and recently closed near its highs. Positive news flow, such as tariff relief and a partnership with POSCO, is adding to the momentum. Aditya Birla Capital is also showing good strength. The short-term target is between 305 rupees and 310 rupees, with a stop loss at 270 rupees. The stock has been outperforming during corrections, and the combination of price action with volume indicates strong momentum. Ola Electric is considered a high-risk, high-reward idea. The suggested target is between 50 rupees and 60 rupees, with a stop loss at 40 rupees. It has shown some positive signs, but because of its volatility, only a small allocation is recommended. Paytm has a long-term target in the range of 1,300 rupee to 1,400 rupees. With the current price near 1,122 rupees, there is optimism about growth in digital payments and improving efficiency. Eveready Industries is being tracked as a short-term momentum play with targets of 455 rupee to 470 rupees and a stop loss at 425 rupees. The stock has broken past resistance and looks strong for further upside. Samvardhana Motherson is under accumulation. The near-term target is 108 rupees with a stop loss at 94 rupees. Recent volume activity and a breakout above 96 rupee point to continued momentum. Kajaria Ceramics has been suggested for a buy today, sell tomorrow trade with targets between 1,330 rupees and 1,365 rupees and a stop loss at 1,260 rupees. The stock is consolidating with healthy volumes, which makes it an interesting short-term setup. Adani Power is being suggested with a target of 640 rupee to 660 rupees and a stop loss at 560 rupees. It is consolidating right now but remains attractive for both the near-term and long-term investors.